I'm back.
Hey. Hey. How y'all doing?
They literally try to take me out the game, but I'm just excited to be back. And on that note, today's Saturday. I'm about to prepare some lunch. I'm having like a basic chicken salad, nothing crazy. And I'm also going out tonight, and I honestly don't know what to wear because I think it's gonna snow. And I really want to wear heels, but I don't know. I'll probably put on some casual sneakers, whatever. I don't know. Let's see. Plus, I didn't even get to show you guys my nails. This is what I got. It's like a ombre, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, but I'm gonna wash these dishes because I have a lot of dirty dishes. And then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear. Anyways, y'all, I gotta go. Wearing this top, y'all probably see this in a haul before. This Zara necklace. This is just the arm candy, and I'm bringing my little one YSL bag, and I'm just wearing some leather black pants, some heels, and they're dirty as hell. I gotta hurry. Bye, y'all. Y'all, so I just got back from Party City, and I had to get a bunch of stuff because Madison School wanted us to send Valentine's Day treats for the students, so I had to get 13 of each items. So I got these cute little basket. It's 8 boys and 5 girls, and they also didn't have any bags because Party City is closing down apparently. But what I got for the boys are these like sensory, what do you call this, balls, and I also got them these squishy things. So I actually got 13 of these to share between boys and girls, and then for the girls I got these really cute Minnie Mouse bubbles and these cute ass bracelet. But yeah, I'm just so happy to be back. Like, I did miss y'all. I missed y'all so fucking much. I'm so over this weather. Like, I cannot. What are y'all? I feel like every time I come on this camera, I'm yawning or something. What the hell? Anyways, today is Wednesday. I'm tired. I'm very freaking tired. So what I'm about to do is do my little 1-2 right now. Skincare, brush my teeth, all of that. Make some tea. And you know what I'm gonna do after? Go to bed. Madison's out of school. I don't have nothing to do. My shift is at 3 o'clock. And I think it's currently 9 o'clock. I don't have my phone. It's in the room. Yeah. God. I also need to go to the supermarket later on today while I'm at work on my break time. Oh, I keep yawning in y'all faces. But let me do what I need to do and get off this thing. So y'all, that sleep was so freaking good. It's currently 2:02 and I'm about to get ready and leave out for work. First of all, don't interrupt my song. So I'm just coming back from the nail shop, and I didn't take you guys, but these are the nails. I got pink French, and they're like so freaking cute. And I'm gonna let these last until it's time to do my birthday nails, because my birthday is literally next month, and I'm super excited. Everything is already booked. Everything's been booked since December because I was playing no games. I'm taking my birthday very serious in my 30s, because in my 20s I was just so laid back. I didn't care. I was so focused on, I don't have no friends to celebrate with, blah, 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 blah. But girl, I was born alone. It's just me. And I'm not waiting on nobody to do anything. Okay? No man, no friend, nobody. I'm going alone. But let me stop all this rambling. I'm about to put the kids' goodies in the basket, and I'm also gonna write their name on it. And I got a couple candies plus the things that I had got from Party City. And I also have to go to Madison's PTA meet in a few, so I'm just gonna take these with me. So got Madison a Valentine's Day balloon because she's my Valentine. But like all the stores was filled, and I just admire the guys that's in there, you know, getting stuff for their girlfriend. I don't know if I'm getting shit. I don't really care, to be honest.
Let's come here.
Do you not get the concept?
Fuck your stupid ass.
Bro, this shit is so hard to pull apart. But my camera is dying, so let me work on this, and I'll check back in with y'all when I'm done. So this is what the baskets look like, y'all. I just wrote their name on it, and then I just left a cute little note saying Happy Valentine's Day from Madison. I wish the sticky notes was like color coordinated, so like the girls would get pink and the boys would get blue, but this is what I got, and we're just gonna have to work with this. Guys, happy Sunday. So I'm dressed, ready to head to the city. I'm taking myself on a little, you know, solo date. I've been meaning to go to the Skims store since she first opened, but every time I look online, it's always a queue outside. And baby, I'm not waiting in a queue for 2 to 3 hours, like no. And I was thinking, since the Valentine's Day festivity is over, I feel like now is the perfect time, even though it's raining, because I was gonna do a different outfit with heels, but like I said, it's raining, so I'm just wearing pants and sneakers. And yeah, and I also wish I had a bag with silver accessory, because as y'all see, the jacket has silver accessory, but this is all I have. I'm gonna let it work. And I'm taking a train to the city too. Yo, it's so freaking windy up here. Anyways, oh my god, he's trying to swing me off the platform. Oh my god, y'all, I'm sick. But I forgot to pick up the camera to, you know, tell you guys about my day in the city alone. Chaotic, okay? Chaotic. First, I was lost, and then my pants was itching my legs so bad. But that's besides the point. But you all, Skims is overwhelming. Like, I was overstimulated. I just couldn't do it. and then it was so crowded, and what I actually went for they didn't have. There was this white tank top that I wanted to wear with a pants that I bought, but they said that it's no longer in stock. I gotta check online, but it's not available online, because if it was, then I wouldn't have went to the city in the first place. But anyways, that place had 6 floors. Girl, I was lost inside the store, and it's just like I don't know, maybe I don't have sense of direction, but I feel like it wasn't like well put together in a sense. It's a cute store, don't get me wrong, it's cute, but as far as directions and stuff like that, like, it threw me off. But I didn't really see anything that I like. I ended up buying something that I didn't want. Like, I paid $48 for a shirt, and I want to return it so bad. And then I just got one underwear, and she kept telling me like, oh, you know, 3 for 30, I'm 3 for 36. Yeah, I know that, but I don't see anything else that I want, and they're like all in different sections. So I was just over it. So I'm just like, you know what, these people looking at me crazy like I'm about to steal something, so let me just pick up something random and just check out. So I left with items that I don't want. And then I had stopped at Zara. I also went to church for a little bit because it was pouring, so you know, I haven't been to church in a long time, so that was good. But yeah, it was really, you know, a chill, fun day. I think I could do it again, but be more prepared, like plan the day better. And I also got to see the Louis Vuitton store. It's so freaking cute in person, y'all. Oh my God. I was gagging. So I think the next time I go to the city, I actually want to go to the LV Cafe. But reservation is on high demand. So God bless me if I do get it. So yeah, but I really had a great time in the city. So can y'all believe it's 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm here cooking? Like, I don't know why I do this, but it's just that it's so, you know, therapeutic. It's so quiet. I feel so much at peace. I don't know, it's just been my thing. But I'm cooking ribs with mashed potatoes and some corn on the side. Let me go show you guys what the hell I bought. So I got this cute ass necklace from Zara, and I seen Elliot face in it. But the crazy thing is, I had this in my cart even before I saw her, because I like to go on the Zara website, look at things that I like, put it in my cart, and then I go in store and look for these items so I could see what it looks like in person. And then I got these pair of earrings, super cute. And then from Skims, I just got the Fit Everyone thong in this shade of pink. Beautiful. But this top right here, y'all, waste of time, waste of money. I don't need it. I don't want it. I want to return it so freaking bad. So that's all that I got, pretty much. But let me go check on my pot and go to hell to bed. So I have to come in here real quick because my life is in shambles, y'all. So you see how February is almost over. So I have literally one good week to prep for my birthday. So last night I was up scrambling on Facebook. Wait, Facebook? Fashion Nova. I was up scrambling on Fashion Nova and Shein, trying to, you know, purchase some stuff. But then it hit me like, damn, the tariff, and I won't be able to get my Shein package. So I went on TikTok doing a little deep dive. People were saying they haven't got their package in a month or so. Baby, I don't have a month to spare. Anyways, woke up this morning, received an email, and it said Shein has been shipped. I'm like, okay, cool. I love that. I love that for me. Why did I check my email again? Baby, it's delayed. And guess when it's coming? The day I'm supposed to leave. I also secured my cake, and I'm kind of glad too, because on her side she's like 2 weeks notice. Baby, that was not 2 weeks notice, but she's like, okay, she's gonna do it for me. But the part that pissed me off is, why is pick up 9 freaking a.m. in the morning on a Sunday? I'm not gonna complain because, you know, she squeezed me in, so I'm grateful. So I was planning to do, like, you know, vlog my maintenance, yada yada yada, but looking at how things is going, I'm gonna be running around like a headless chicken, and vlogging gonna be the last thing of mine. But I'm trying to, you know, keep my composure. And this is so unlike me, because normally when I know I'm going somewhere, I've been start preparing months in advance. Like, I booked everything from December. Like, why didn't I just, you know, do? I don't know, but I'm just so over it. I'm so over it. Like, I really am. and then I have to go to the dressmaker because I have this dress that I need to take in. Baby, the car's not working. It's just too much going on. But anyways, I gotta go to work, and I'm just waiting on my lift to get here. So yeah.